How to fix contacts not showing in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix WhatsApp contacts not showing. So watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch settings on your device. Scroll down, locate apps. Select that. Now tap App Management at top of the screen. Now tap the search bar at top and type in WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp app info section and then select storage uses. Tap clear cache. Come to the same page and then select permissions. Make sure to allow all the app permission, especially contacts. If it is not allowed, you can tap on contacts and then tap the allow button. Once you do that, exit from the app info section of WhatsApp and check whether contacts not showing problem has been resolved or not. If not resolved, restart the device. A simple restart can fix your issue. So simply toggle the button on, or you can simply hold on the power button and you can slide towards restart. Once you do that, your issue of contacts not showing in WhatsApp will be fixed. Thank you for watching.